Implementing fire safety in the home and workplace is essential. One way to practice fire safety is knowing how to properly use a fire extinguisher. This knowledge will not only help save property, but save lives. In this video, we will demonstrate how to identify the different types of fire extinguishers and how to properly use one in an emergency situation. To start, before using a fire extinguisher, you must be able to answer yes to each of the following questions. Have I alerted others in the building that there's a fire? Has someone called the fire department? Am I physically able to use a fire extinguisher? Is the fire small and contained in a single object? Am I safe from the fire's toxic smoke? Do I have a clear escape route? These questions are vital to ensuring your safety before attempting to put out a fire. If you are able to answer yes to all these questions, the next step is understanding which extinguisher to use. There are 5 primary types of fire extinguishers, each designed to put out different kinds of fires. The green triangle with the capital letter A are fire extinguishers that are designed for ordinary materials like cloth, wood, and paper. The red square with the capital letter B are for fighting against combustible and flammable liquids like grease, gasoline, oil, and oil-based paints. The blue circle with the capital letter C are for use with electrical equipment like appliances, tools, or any other equipment that needs to be plugged in. The gold or yellow star with the capital D are for use with flammable metals. And lastly, the dark bold capital letter K are used for vegetable oils, animal oils, and fats in cooking appliances. It's also important to note that there are multi-purpose fire extinguishers that might be labeled BC or ABC. Next, once you identify the type of extinguisher you need, you can begin to operate one. An easy way to recall how to use a fire extinguisher is to remember the word pass. First, pull the pin. Hold the extinguisher with the nozzle pointing away from you and release the locking mechanism. Then, aim low. Be sure to point the extinguisher at the base of the fire. Next, squeeze the lever slowly and evenly. Finally, sweep the nozzle from side to side until the fire is extinguished. If you are unsure about whether or not it's safe to use a fire extinguisher, and for all other dangerous situations, alert others, leave the building, and call 911. You've come to the right place for reliable safety tips and guidelines you can trust. That's NSI.